Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that I'm finally going to take down all my Christmas decor from my home. I know a lot of people have already put away their Christmas decor. A lot of people did it right after Christmas. But January kicked off with such a bang for me that I was so busy that I didn't have any time to take down my Christmas decor until today. So I thought I would take the camera out and bring you guys along with me and make this kind of like a cleaning and decluttering video to give you guys some motivation. And the reason why I say it's a clean and declutter is because that whenever I do put away any type of fall decor or Christmas decor, anything that I have left in the bins that I didn't put out that year, I tend to put them in bags and donate them or sell them. Because if I didn't put them out this year, odds are I'm not going to put them out next year. And so I like to declutter the stuff that I don't need. That's less things to pack away. That's less storage that I have to buy. And it's just simple for me. And like I told you guys, my goal this year is to simplify my life and simplify everything in my life. And getting rid of the things that I don't use is one step to that. Also in this video, I'm going to give you guys some tips on what I do when I put decorations away. So kind of giving you guys some tips on how to store some of your Christmas decor. So let's just jump right into this video, and if you guys want to follow along with me, get in your comfortable clothes like I am, put your hair in a bun, and let's get started on this cleaning and decluttering motivational video. So like I said in my intro, the first thing that I like to do before I start my clean and decluttering of any type of holiday decor is that I will go through the bins, and whatever I didn't use this year, whatever I didn't put out, I put them straight in bags for donations and for selling. I don't even look at them. I don't think twice about them. I just put them straight into bags and get rid of them. Because like I said, if I didn't use it this year, I'm not going to use it next year. So that's the first step that I'm going to do. I'm going to go through all my Christmas bins and put everything in bags for donation. Now when it comes to organizing and storing my Christmas balls, I used to use this container right here that you can get at Walmart. It's a Sterilite container that also comes with these little grids right here to separate your Christmas balls. Now I used this at the beginning when I used to have glass Christmas balls, but now the Christmas balls that I buy are basically all plastic. So what I do with them now, and since I have so many of them, I just put them all in one Sterilite container bag without any dividers in it, and I just put it in here and I store it this way. I'm able to store more balls this way, and they do not break or anything because they are all plastic. I do put some plastic bags at the bottom, and then I will put a plastic bag on the top before I store them away. Now because I still have this one, I still use it for any of my glass or shatterable, anything that can shatter ornaments that I use around the house, and that's what you'll see me put away today. Now a tip that I have for you guys about your Christmas lights in order to prevent them from getting tangled, this is how I pack them away so that next year when I bring them out, they're not all tangled up. And all I do is I get any cardboard boxes in my house and I cut it up. This was just one of my old Grove Collaborative boxes they brought me, and I cut them up into, you know, square pieces or rectangular pieces. And then I will take the lights and tape one side down and just wrap it around, and then tape down the other side once I'm done. And then I will just put them in any type of plastic bag and store them that way. That way next year when I pull them out, they're easy to take off and they're untangled, so I don't have to worry about detangling any of my lights come the next Christmas year. So one thing that I do whenever I'm taking down any holiday decor is I just get a laundry basket and I go around my home and collect all of the holiday decor, so that way I could take it to my dining room table later and kind of sort it before I put it in bins. So I am done taking down all my Christmas decor in the kitchen and also in the dining room and the living room. And the reason why everything is still like so bare is because I'm not going to put out any of my everyday decor, because I kind of want to go through that bin and get rid of some stuff too. So I'm going to save that for another day because I did a lot today. So everything is plain and basic right now, and I will decorate it later. But I just love how clean and simple everything looks, and that I finally got to take all that decor down. And the last thing I did was I vacuumed and I swept, but I didn't show you guys that because my camera kind of, the storage got full on it, so now I'm videoing with my camera phone. So here are the bins that I have left after I've decluttered and put all the stuff away that I want to keep. And the last thing I have to do is just label my bins. I'm going to relabel them because I kind of switch things up. And this is the last tip that I would give you guys, is to always label your bins. I do have mine color coded with, you know, like the colors that I feel are winter and Christmassy. So I always know that these bins are for Christmas, even though, even if they don't have a label, but I do like to label what's inside of them if I'm looking for a specific thing. So yeah, so the last thing I'm gonna do is label them and put them back in my shed. So thank you for joining me today as I clean and decluttered my house after Christmas. I'm starting to notice that with this clean and declutter, that I don't like as many holiday decor as I used to. I used to love having so much fall decor, Christmas decor, and Christmas decor. And this past year I learned that I really like things that's simple. And I guess that's why it goes with the word of my year, which is simplify, because I really do like simple things in my home. It takes less time to have simple things, less money. And so it felt so good to get rid of the stuff that I don't need for next year. So when I do pull out my decor for next year, it's very simple, but it's still looking nice for my home. And everything's put away so nicely. So I hope I gave you guys some good ideas today and tips on how to put away your things for Christmas or any holiday decor. And I hope I gave you guys some cleaning and decluttering motivation, because I know we can all use it. You guys motivate me to make these videos, and because I know they motivate you guys. So let's just keep each other motivated, okay? And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.